Hello student, myself IT Valvi sir. Today we learn subject Organization of Commerce and Management Standard 12, Chapter 2nd, Functions of Management. We see the remaining importance of planning. We see the next fifth importance of planning. Planning leads to optimum utilizations of resources. Organizational plan are prepared by taking into consideration the availability of resources and proper allocations of resources for various activities. It also facilitates optimum utilizations of resources, which brings higher efficiency and better results. One can avoid wastage of resources by proper planning. Next, sixth importance of planning helps in decision making. There are various alternatives in front of the management for achieving goals. Planning helps the management to select the best alternative by considering all positive and negative outcomes of all the alternatives. Decisions are taken after selecting alternatives, courses of action to achieve a predefined goal. It helps the manager to take rational decisions. Next, seventh importance of planning, useful in setting the standard for controlling. Planning set out standard for controlling, so the actual performance can be compared with the standard and managers can find out the deviation, if any, between the actual and the standard performance. Such deviation can be bridged by taking controlling steps. Therefore, planning provides basis for control. It is also important for maintaining discipline at working places of organization. Next, at importance of planning, facilitates coordination of all activities. Planning facilitates the coordinations of activities. It reduces overlapping among activities. All activities of business organizations are closely linked with each other, which is considered in the process of planning. Sound planning interrelates all the activities and resources of an organization. Thus, various departments work as per the overall plan and coordination is achieved. Next, 9 importance of planning facilitates other management functions. Every organization functions towards achieving goals, and goals is set at the planning stage. Unless the plan is ready, other management functions such as organizing and staffing, etc., cannot be undertaken. Thus, planning facilitates all other functions of management. Next, 10th importance of planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning is the basic functions of management. It is a process of decision making which involves promotions of innovative ideas after critical thinking. Ultimately, these innovative plans result into attainment of the goals of the organizations. It is the most challenging activities for the management, as it guides all future action leading to growth and prosperity of the organization. In short, planning plays a vital role in every walk of the life of an organization as well as of an individual. Future is highly uncertain and the business environment is changing. With the help of proper planning, the risks and uncertainties can be minimized definitely. Hence, planning is the basic requirement of any organization for the survival, growth, and success. Thank you very much.